Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to register on Elixir. Okay, so here is my link and I'm just going to be clicking on it. Okay, it will actually bring you to this interface if your coach, like I said in my previous video, say if you are registering under somebody, that person happens to be your coach. So if you click on that person's link, it will bring you to this interface and it will be saying joining under Blackboard 34. That's my username. Okay, so all you have to do now is just to fill this form. You write your full name, your email address, the username you want to use, your password, okay, your phone number, and you select your country. So you can actually register from Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and Uganda. These are just the 5 countries you can register from. So after you have clicked on that, you will now enter a coupon code. Now, this is where your coach is important. This is where you need a coach. Just like I've always been saying it, you need a coach, you need somebody to register under. Is this person that will buy you a code and send you the code. Okay, the person will send you the code and you input the code here. This is why you are paying 6,000 naira, because that 6,000 naira is used to get a code. Okay, you use that 6,000 naira to get a code on this website, and after you have used that 6,000 naira, 5,100 will be credited into your account immediately after you register. Okay, and this money can be withdrawn at the end of every month. Okay, on the 2nd of every new month, that is when you can place your withdrawal. So after you have done that, after you have registered with the coupon code, and another reason why you need to register under somebody is because you can hold somebody responsible, not you getting code from somewhere on the website without you knowing where the code is coming from. You can't hold anybody accountable for that. So I will advise you to register under a coach. Please register under a coach so you avoid I registered this. Elixir is not a scam, it's a legit platform. Many people are using this platform, including myself, and I'm getting my money. Okay, so it's a legit platform. I won't do something that is not legit. If you go on TikTok, just type on Elixir, you see many accounts, you see many young ladies making money from this platform. That is by the way. So all I'm saying is that you need a coach to register under. Okay, it's your coach that will be guiding you, that will put you through on how you can do all this. So after you have input your code, after your coach has actually given you code, all you have to do is to choose your package. I told you choose the package of 6,000 naira or 10,000 naira. Then after you have done that, you will then register. Okay, you register and it will bring you to this interface. Okay, after it bring you to this interface, let's say this is your first time. Okay, you haven't earned anything on it. You can earn in your local currency. Okay, this is it. You can earn in USD, you can earn, it's still the same thing, because the rate of dollar now in Nigeria is 1,000 or so it's equally the same thing. So now after you have registered, all you have to do now is to click on your profile. Okay, this is where you get your referral link as well, that you can use and register other people that will be under you. Then after you have input all your details, you now input your bank details, and if you are using a crypto details, you input it there. Okay, then you update it. So guys, I will actually advise you, okay, to write down your information or take a screenshot while you are filling the form. so you no forget anything. Okay, and after you have gotten to this payment page, please do not make any mistake, because Elixir will not be responsible for your carelessness. Every details you are inputting in your payment update should be correct. Do not make any mistake. Okay, now after you have done that, to perform daily taxes to earn money, all you have to do is to click on your menu. Yeah, then click on this NFT claim, which I'm doing. After you have clicked on that, your daily tax will come up here. Okay, mine is not coming up, probably because my page hasn't been updated today as at the time filming. Okay, let me click on generate today's NFT. At the time filming this video is about 5 a.m, so it's not fully, the website is not on. I'll come back early in the morning around 9-10, then I'll be able to fill my, I'll be able to actually complete my tax. Later on, if I'm making my daily thing, I'll make a video on how the interface looks like and how you are going to do it. So that's how you register on Elixir. Okay, and you refer people to the platform. That's affiliate marketing. That's where you get more money. Okay, if you are doing daily taxes, you only get 1,200 daily, but if you refer people to the platform, you make more money, like 5,100. You can make 8,000 depending on the package the person is registering on. So this is how you go about it. And guys, if you need any help, if you need any assistance, I'll be leaving the link to my Telegram channel in the description box or in the comment section. Do well to join and you can ask any question. Okay, and if you need my referral link will also be in the comment section or in the description. So guys, if you have actually watched this video to this particular place, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please like this video and please drop your comment, because I'll be answering every of your questions in the comment section. Till next time, bye.